Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today there is a competition between a mom and a son as to who eats faster. The winner of the person that we emerge we earn 50 euros, which is equivalent to £1,000,000 in our country's currency. So at the moment, they are eating fufu and okra soup with Fanta and Lipton and a cup of water each. Whoever finish in time will receive 50 euros. Now you see them, they are set to go. After a count of 3, we go. 1, 2, 3. This is a mom and a son thing. Mother and son. Whoever emerged winning will get 50 euros. Pode. Competition is ongoing. The son has finished the bulk of the fufu, while the mother is still struggling to finish one. Ensure that there is no flesh on the bones before you drop them, or else you lose the competition.
It is not the door now,
Before now, yeah, it finished before you. Yeah, Peter finished before you. Yeah, so now I win. So Peter, take the money. Bravo.